Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to play Prop Hunt in COD Mobile. Now take note though before I proceed, Prop Hunt is actually something that you can do on a seasonal basis, so it's not available every single time. But I'm still gonna show you where you can find them in case it's available already when you watch this video. So to do that, let's just go ahead and open the rank here. I'm gonna go ahead and tap that over there, and I'm just gonna hit the OK button right here. Now in order for you to play Prop Hunt, you actually have to do it privately. So we're gonna tap on this three vertical lines here, and then we're gonna choose private. So after choosing private, we're just going to confirm it by clicking the confirm button right here. Alright, now that we are here, we're just going to go ahead and tap on this shipment right here, and we're gonna choose core. After choosing core, you should be able to see something like this. So I want you to go ahead and scroll all the way to the right, and we should be able to see Prop Hunt in here if it is available. So you should be able to see that now I have Prop Hunt in there. I can click that, and then I can go ahead and tap the confirm button down here below. So after confirming, you can go ahead and basically add friends here, invite them. You can tap it here, there you go, and then invite friends if you have any. So yeah, I'm just gonna close this for now, and afterwards just go ahead and click the start button and you are good to go. That, everybody, is how you are going to play Prop Hunt in COD Mobile.